welcome back to the channel. Filament 5.2 dropped few days ago, and with it comes a brand new component called Callouts. So these are the beautiful pre-styled alert boxes for showing information, warning or error messages in your admin panel. So today I am going to show you everything you can do. So for that I have already created one callout example page, and I am using the content method here, and I am passing that content in my page blade file. So now anything I type inside the component, any content can be visible here. So first of all, let's understand about the callouts, right? And then how we can create them, and then the different 4 variants of the callouts. So that will cover almost 90% of the use cases. So to create a callout, we simply can say callout schema components make, and then we can pass the heading here. You can see, let's say first example, and if I save it and if I refresh here, now I can see a simple box with first example written. And similarly, now I can pass the description if I want, and then here you can see I can pass string, HTML or closure also. So if you have any dynamic data, then you can also use that to get or set that when if we use this in case of the form. So for now, this is the example of callout. So this is the simple callout. So let's first go to the 4 basic variants of callout. So the first one is, of course, info. So if I refresh here, you can notice that I have the icon also as by default. So let me just copy this. Let's say info, and then let's create success one. Then we can pass the success here. Similarly, SUCC. After info success, then we have warning, then finally we have danger. Let's say danger. If I refresh here, now you can see the 4 variants of the callouts: info, success, warning and the danger. And now what if you see here, each have their own background color, right? So now how we can remove that? For if we want that, we can just set let me copy this, without bg color, let's say, and I can pass color null. If I will do this, without bg color is the first simplest one, right, where we did not pass any info or description. Or even if I want info, I get the info with that icon, but not the background color. So I can do this, right? So now what if I want to use the icon now? Let me copy this, and let's say icon example. So just remove this all, so I can pass icon, and of course we will be using hero icon, and then I can use any of the icon here. That's. And now what if I want to change the color of icon? It's also simple, icon color, and then let's say primary. Now it changes into primary color. Perfect. Now what if you want to change the icon size? Then you can pass the icon size as well. So icon size, so I can say large, small. What you have the option here, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large and 2 extra large. You can see the difference between this icon and then the another icons here. Extra, let me do extra large, 2 extra large, let's say. Now you can see the difference clearly, right? So now not only this, we can also pass the actions also. For example, let's create another new callout. Let's say we created this simple callout. We have a warning, your trial period is ending soon, please. So instead of warning, what I want to do is icon let's use hero icon, time, clock. Okay, warning, your trial period is ending soon. So now how I can add the action? It's simple. I can pass the actions and it will take an array now. So action make upgrade, the same action that we used to do. We can either make it button or also we can use the action make delete account, let's say URL. Okay, now I can use this any of this one, right? Upgrade or delete account on the basis of our use case. So not only that, we can also change the alignment of this icon. So that is footer actions alignment. So you can use action in two ways. One, we have footer actions, which will also add the same action parameter, right? Alignment, yeah, and then I can say, you can see here the it's between center, in, justify, left. So if I click on end and if I click refresh here, now I can see the actions are here, upgrade delete. So similarly you can also use footer, which is footer. Here you can see it accept the filament schema component. So you can either you can use any of them. If I want to text, you can also use text hi, right? You can see here, so you can use that. Let me refresh this. This is good one. So this is all about callouts. I will also put the link of the documentation in the description.